Alright, we got ourselves a HP. Apparently it has a DC jack problem. So let's see if we can have a look what the issue is. So it got mailed in. It's the standard HP. Yep, a bit of a dog chewing happening here. They sent me photos and it was the DC jack. Yeah, we can see the DC jack has sort of disappeared. Not really in there. So before we replace it, ideally want to check if the jack still works or it hasn't caused the internal short. Yeah, before we replace the DC jack or other components, see if we can do something about this. Unusual amount of force. Interesting, it doesn't want to come out. Okay. Wow. The battery is swollen as well, as you can see, which is dangerous. It can explode or leak or anything like that. Most likely explode. Oh yeah, I've done a repair on one of these recently. So ideally you want to check what's happened to the DC jack, see if the pins are shorted or something, see if there's any internal damage. Continuity mode. Good, nothing there. That's fine. And the brown pin, nowhere. And the black pin, good. So there was no short on the DC jack. That means we should be okay just to replace the DC jack. And we don't have one of these in stock, but we have something similar which won't fit for this, but we can use for testing. Yeah, that's what's happened to this one too, which is pretty much the same issue. One sec, I gotta find the DC jack. Alright, I've managed to find something. Okay, so we got a DC jack that's similar type, but this one won't actually fit here, I think. We have already ordered a original replacement. It might actually will. It just doesn't have the screw holder, if you like. There is a tiny screw holder on the correct model, just over here. And the cable for this runs on that side, so it's going to be a routing issue like this, which is not going to fit, which is going to create problems. We could use this for testing, so we need to ensure that the wiring is pretty much the same. Yep, it's also from a HP. So let's have a look. Now, this one you can't use anyway. So I'm actually going to cut it out. There we go. Okay. Great. So we should be able to plug in another charger and see a white light come up. So the main purpose of this video is if you got a charging port that is damaged, and how to check if there was a short before using multimeter, and we should get a light on this if everything is good. We do, and it should power on, hopefully, and hopefully the system was not damaged. Fan spinning and HP logo coming on, which is great. Battery ideally should be replaced, so we'll advise client. And based on that, we'll see what kind of repair we'll do on this later. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.